Vijay. I'm Python trainer in PySpiders. So we have a placed candidate named Dhanush here from our PySpiders Rajajinagar. So Dhanush, can you please share your experience in PySpiders?
Yeah, it was like very much nice in PySpiders. After completing my degree from college at 2023 in Vatsal, I joined PySpiders in 2024 after 6 months, which really helped me in my skills like Python and testing. Also, which helped me getting my job. So I got placed, and all it in this all boot camps and mock were very helpful. Even teachers were very friendly. So,
Mainly other than training, so what you liked in this? What sort of any extracurricular activities which you liked?
like teaching was perfect, 100% perfect. In depth, everything they taught me, like what is required, what is not required. That was very much helpful, and also they gave about knowledge about how IT will be there, IT field will be there. That also was very helpful. Like you can tell, basically interview with me. That was very nice.
So thanks for your congrats, all the best.